This is a rare unboxing of the Amouage Homage or Homage. Amouage Attar Homage. One of the rarest attars in the world. This is a 30 milliliter, fresh from Oman, from the factory in Muscat. It's factory sealed in cellophane and their own hologram. This is how you know the product is authentic. It's in cellophane. It's a beautiful wooden box in red and brown hues. And here we have it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful homage. And here it is in all its glory. The rarest perfume oil in the world, now discontinued, extremely hard to find. This is a 30 milliliter. Beautiful, beautiful oil. It says here, Homage, 30 milliliter. And about Amouage Attars. It is sealed, so once we unseal the bottle, we can try it out. So exciting. So hard to do, especially on camera. So this is how it should look if you're getting an authentic one that has not been opened. It should be sealed with plastic. I'll just push the plastic down and then twist the top and lift and apply most beautiful fragrance in the world. Just one drop is all you need. And I smell it. Elixir of the gods. Thank you for watching. Amouage Attar Homage.